Losuku Samula. The next chapter. Chapter number 10 is speed, time, and distance. The speed, time, and distance. The speed, time, distance. Relation. The relation the triangle distance, speed, and time. So distance find distance is speed into time. Delay time point time is distance divided by speed. And distance divided by speed. The speed point speed is distance divided by time. Any formula sum the speed distance time given relation speed is equal to distance by time delay distance arrangement cross multiply the distance is equal to speed cross multiply the speed the time multiply speed into time distance the time find time is equal to distance by speed cross multiply arrangement the formula the speed distance time relation relation the relation the formula play solve basis formula relation the few conversion the 1 kilometer is 1000 meter 1 hour this is equal to 60 minutes, which is equal to 63,600 seconds. 1 minute 60 seconds so 60 minutes 60 times 60 3,600 seconds. The kilometer hour to meter per second direct kilometer per hour to meter per second convert into 5 by 18 down to remember kilometer meter na so hour second na so the meter per second to kilometer per hour so into 18 by 5 simple. Then so conversion the so there are the speed time and distance relation speed is equal to distance by time relation delay formula to solve the first question a man covers distance of 600 meters in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. What will be his speed in meter per second and kilometer per hour? The another version question is first distance the 600 meter delay time time the 2 minutes 30 seconds this is same as 2 minutes 30 seconds the second minute na change 30 second minute na change 30 divided by 60 30 divided by 60 0.5 top 30 second minute na change 0.5 minute so 2 minutes 30 seconds means 2.5 minute 2 minutes 30 seconds 2.5 minute the question distance a man covers distance of 600 meters in 2.5 minutes minute what will his speed be in meter per second the speed formula we know that speed is equal to distance by time the formula used baby speed and the first speed meter per second tends to the speed meter per second 600 meter divided by distance divided by time the distance is 600 meter time the 2.5 minute minute na meter per second na minute second na so into 60 and we second na So ani ki answer di gari bito me so wajin 4 meter per second se ani bito bel. The speed meter per second na tungu baji ani bimbe. The tugina meter per second tungu bale tini gibe distance di unit meter na sha time di second na so gobe 2.5 minute di second na so ni gidilo. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore 2.5 minutes is equal to 2.5 times 60 seconds. Ani bito 4 meter per second bel. The part B ka expression point speed in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour na be wajin the hamara distance di meter na do meter di kilometer na so wajin 600 ya loksobe kora ya sosobe sobe zure dubla ya sobe zure dub dimerwe na zug wajin meter di kilometer na so wajin divided by 1000 dangobe. So distance is 600 divided by 1000 kilometer divided by the time the hour na so gobe 2.5 minute the hour na so wajin divided by 60 dangobe la kashbi mo sojin 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore only aji 1 minute the wajin 1 by 60 hour in mil. So the tongaji 2.5 minutes and 2.5 divided by 60 hour. The hour na convert pedai the calculator na zuwajin direct only calculator na zudalu hamara bracket open be 600 divided by 1000 g bracket close be division sign zu duru bracket open be 2.5 divided by 60 bracket close ane be begole temen bachin calculator ki so be read page be mistake juni chance. So speed in kilometer per hour di ani calculator na zu be to 14.4 kilometer per hour email. Speed in meter per second da speed in kilometer per hour anim chimbe andi zora dangachi unit conversion 시고 비밀 unit conversion 시에 배워진 들레 so direct formula speed is equal to distance by time 주 배변이라. First question 대 아님be. The second question 배워진 a person has to cover a distance of 6 km in 45 minutes. If he covers one half of the distance in 2/3 of total time, to cover the remaining distance in remaining time, what should be his speed in kilometer per hour? And whether the speed in kilometer per hour na sobe, and when the distance gara kilometer na express penny, time gara hour na express penny la. Tato midi ka travel be go a man has to travel this distance. The distance a man has to cover a distance of 6 km. Distance is 6 km in the any distance 6 km the time ganimchi na cover be time the 45 minutes na cover be the 45 minutes the to hour na change be 45 divided by 60. So 45 divided by 60 the 0.75 hours animchi temmel. And the question the two a man has to cover a distance of 6 km in 45 minutes. If he covers one half of the distance in 2/3 of the time, and one half the distance half G by 2 mol distance half the 6 km ki half the 3 km distance half the time gadimchina cover be if he covers one half of the distance in 2/3 of total time, distance half the 2/3 of total time na be 2/3 of multiplication total time the 0.75 hour. So distance 3 km the time gadimchina cover be 0.5 hour na cover be symbol animchina bewajin se if he covers one half of the distance is 3 km in 2/3 of total time, 2/3 of total time is 0.5 hour. If he covers 3 km in 0.5 hour, to cover the remaining distance thing actually animbel. Remaining distance animchimbe. To cover remaining distance in remaining time, what should be his speed in kilometer per hour. So the remaining distance taken total 6 km half the first part na 3 km cover be so minus 3 tam dado remaining distance the 3 km. The remaining time the kadimchi is wajin total time the 0.75 hours take pe doimbe. It's given here. Total time 0.75 kilometer 0.75 hour take pe wajin. First half of the distance nalu 0.5 hour take pe no. So remaining hour the remaining time kadimchi do so wajin total 0.75 nale first half na 0.5 hour take pe da bale tini gibe. Remaining time the 0.25 hours. Remaining distance 3 km में remaining time the 0.25 hour में. So the remaining part the remaining distance the cover being given speed kadimchi ko base में. Therefore speed is equal to distance by time. Distance the 3 km divided by time the 0.25 hours. So 12 km per hour. And the first half the 3 km 0.5 hour na cover bedeno. Second half the cover being given speed kadimchi ko base wajin speed the 12 km per hour ko bel. The next question is given a train running at speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? The another question हमारा था pole दिया ना ये पेशेगल pole दिया ना ये वचन हमारा train दिया ना तो. So a train running at speed of speed t kadimchi na में सोचन पता जो दलो speed t 60 km per hour. A train running at speed of 60 km per hour crosses pole in 9 seconds. Crosses pole सोचन तो कुतु ना the tail दिया ना बेतु crosses pole सोचन the tail दिया ना कुत हम की initial कुतु position लेगोल. अनिमिची बेटा the train दिगी pole दी cross job में train दिगी pole दी cross job नहीं तो time kadimchi take पे उम्मे को सोचन 9 seconds take पे उम्मे symbol. So the speed t 60 km per hour now में time the 9 seconds nalu pole the cross पे उम्मे and the length of the train कच्ची में सोची ता अनिमिची nalu pole the cross पे नहीं तो distance cover the कच्ची में सोची distance cover the अनिमिची में. So this is equal to length of the train. कच्ची पे सोची the train हेमा आना दुमिदी अनि position ना दुमिदी the pole cross पे नहीं तो अनि position ना लेगो बे total दुमिदी position ना लेगो बे total position ना लेने की तो distance अनिमिची cover पे गो बे तो distance अनिमिची cover पे गो बे this distance is equal to length of car. So length of car find पे नहीं तो distance find पे नहीं length of train length of train the distance traveled by the train में distance ती करें वो सोचन speed times time. Speed ती तो kilometer per hour दी meter per second ना सोचल. The length of कच्ची पे सोचन length of train दी meter ना थियो and the meter na sogi the time the seconds na 2 so hour the second na convert pe gel the 60 km per hour the meter per second na so negitulu ana formula na jimi ni direct pe to 60 km per hour the kilometer per hour to meter per second so watching into 5 by 18 tang gel. So into 5 by 18 tang bedulu the meter per second na tang watching kadim chi so watching 50 by 3 meter per second in imbel. Speed 50 by 3 meter per second in. So 50 by 3 meter per second into time the 9 seconds. Therefore the length of train the 150 meter. Length of train is 150 meter. The token train the pole cross job speed is 60 km per hour now में pole the cross चलने के दिनों time the 9 seconds take पे में so pole cross पे नहीं सोता तो अन्य position लेवे पर total team की position ना लेने में any position alhegon need to distance covered this much should be the distance covered. So distance covered is equal to length of train unless length of train chunila speed that time use baby length of train point penil. The next problem na beochi kadabi to searching come in 100-meter race Kamal defeats Bimal by 5 seconds. If the speed of Kamal is 18 km per hour, then the speed of Bimal is the another Kamal la Bimal se need to the Koni gi the 100-meter race name be so distance the Kamal gi distance ya 100 meter pe diyo Bimal gi distance ya 100 meter pe diyo Koni 100-meter race chamel. So Kamal defeats Bimal by 5 seconds. Then we will Kamal ki time di nga chigi t se shawachin that time mishive mola exact pe time mishive Kamal ki Bimal di 5 seconds ki bit pe nu se shive. So Kamal ki time di t be shawachin Bimal ki time di t plus 5 la kashbe mo shawachin that Kamal he sabe 5 seconds ki jab khale jamji Bimal he bale teni gibe Bimal ki time di t plus 5 if Kamal's time is t. The delegation to speed of Kamal ki speed is 18 km per hour 18 km per hour during meter per second convert to watching 18 into 80 sorry kilometer per hour to meter per second so watching into 5 by 18 down 18 into 5 by 18 unreachable meter per second at name so 18 cancel speed 5 meter per second the Kamal ki speed 5 meter per second yodalo time di kanich top sojin Kamal ki time di to unknown t se shai so time di kanich top sojin time is equal to distance by speed so the time is equal to speed the distance the 100 meter divided by speed the 5 meter per second therefore 20 seconds Kamal ki 20 seconds take be the Kamal ki 20 seconds take be Bimal ki time take be t plus 5 20 plus 5 Bimal ki 25 seconds take be race the complete 100 meter race complete Kamal ki 20 seconds tele Kamal ki Bimal 5 seconds defeat tame ane bedo Bimal ki 20 plus 5 25 seconds nalu cover beni imbel ane bedo the question ki kachi ask me wajin if speed of Kamal is 18 km per hour what is the speed of Bimal the Bimal ki speed ti undefined page Bimal ki speed ti to s2 besha speed is equal to distance by time the distance the 100 meter in time the in 25 seconds in so this is 4 meter per second 4 meter per second the kilometer per hour na so watching the first slide meter per second kilometer per hour na so watching into 18 by 5 tango so into 18 by 5 tango kale kilometer per hour na jomme therefore 4 into 18 by 5 the 14.4 km per hour. Anibadulu 100 meter race nalo Kamal ki Bimal 5 seconds ki speed tamachin Kamal ki speed tamme anibadulu Kamal ki speed 18 km per hour pe wachin Bimal ki speed 14.4 km per hour animchoni imbel.